I have a Onan p218G with no ignition. I have replaced coil, ignition module and condenser. Still no spark. What else could it be?
Hello. My name is I'm going to assist you with this. The only other part of the ignition system is the trigger ring. I always suggest replacing it and the ignition module as a set, due to the difficulty of taking the flywheel off.
Is it possible the starter could cause it to lose ignition? I noticed starter issues just before I lost spark. When I press start button, the starter continues to run after release of start button. It only stops after I kill ignition switch.
I'm not sure if that would be possible or not. The only way it could be would be if the starter is shorted out so bad that it is drawing all the power from the battery, and not leaving enough for the ignition.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.